Do you lift weights consistently, but you feel like you don't look like you lift? Here is 4 reasons why. Number 1, your nutrition sucks. Specifically, you probably don't eat enough protein. Most people do not eat enough protein to actually help build muscle. Number 2, you do your repetitions so damn fast like you're in a speed contest. You really want to slow down and focus on that time under tension. About 3 to 4 seconds on that eccentric movement. So that negative movement, slow your reps down. Number 3, you do not practice progressive overload, meaning you're not trying to consistently add maybe a little more weight, or maybe a few more reps, or maybe a whole nother set, or increasing your time under tension, meaning actually going even slower on those repetitions. All of those are ways to practice progressive overload. If you are not doing those, you will stay the same. And number 4, and probably the most important one that you guys need to hear, you diet all the time, or at least you try to diet. You constantly live in dieting phase, so you never actually give your body what it needs to build the muscle to actually look like you lift. Stop dieting all the time. Go through phases of intentionally eating more food. Your body will thank you for it. And just maybe at the end, you might look like you actually lift weights.